Hey there, I'm Layne Johnson. Welcome to my studio. I'm really excited today because I'm going to try out a new brush. It's from the new line of brushes made by Princeton, the Aspen Short Brushes. This brush today is going to be the Short Angle Bright. What can I do with this brush? Well, I think I can block in some trees with it. Let's see what it can do. I'll be using Maimeri Classico Oil Paints for this demonstration. Okay, I'm starting with a number 8 Short Angle Bright. The angle brush is a brush I kind of discovered a few years back, actually. I used to always just simply use a flat, but these days, gosh, I love these angle brushes. You know, because I'm right-handed, I just tilt it in the direction that my hand will naturally go. So it almost feels more ergonomic. But the other good thing about these brushes, and this one in particular, is you can get up to the edge of things, you can get around to the inside of things with the point. It gives you a lot of control. Speed this up a little bit. Basically, I'm blocking in. It's a great block-in brush. I'd say if I was painting a plein air, it'd be one of my favorite brushes to have when you're painting outside. That's the thing about the Aspen brushes, they have a dark colored ferrule, so if you're painting outside, you don't get a shiny reflection in your eyes while you're trying to paint. You don't get a sun reflecting off of it. What I'm doing is blocking in the dark shadow colors to begin with, and then I'll build up foliage colors with midtones and finally more highlights. Won't worry about detail, not at all. But you can see, you can actually do some pretty cool detail if you want to. A lot of control. Again, with these Aspens, they can hold a lot of paint. So you do have a lot of good control without having to go back and get paint all the time. So this is kind of the mid-tone green. Again, slowly covering up my underpainting. Okay, I'm going to switch to number 4 Short Angle Bright. It'll allow me to get in to even tighter places to create a little bit more detail. This is still just blocking in though. If you happen to create detail along the way, it's okay. Again, you can see this little corner tip is really helpful. Again, my blue is dry at this point. I can come back and forth with this brush after each layer is dry and adjust the sky more. I can adjust the tree more, back and forth as many times as I need to. Now I've gone back to number 8, pulling some of these greens down. Like I said, this is early in the painting, blocking in, not really worrying about detail, just trying to get some of these colors blocked in. And this brush has a lot of good control. As you can see, it's very versatile. Like the other Aspen brushes, this brush can hold a lot of paint, and you can also push a lot of paint around, but it also has very delicate qualities if you just have a light touch. Just kind of pulling right up against this edge, pulling away some midtones. Block this in, speed this up a little bit. All in all, I really love the angle brushes. The catalyst angles are really, really good too. These Aspens, particularly these Aspen short brushes, are really a nice surprise from Princeton. So I've got a good blocking on this thing going, and it's been fun. Looking forward to try some more Aspen shorts. There you go. Hey, that was a lot of fun painting with this brush. Join me for the next video where I'll be demonstrating another one of the Aspen short brushes made by Princeton.